Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start dropshipping with Newegg, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start dropshipping with Newegg, the first step is to create a Newegg account. Visit the Newegg website and click on the sign up button. Fill in all required information including your email address and a secure password. Once registered, verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Next, research products that you want to sell. Browse through the categories on Newegg to identify trending and profitable items. Use tools like Google Trends and competitor analysis to evaluate product demand. After selecting your niche, find reliable suppliers. Search for wholesalers or manufacturers that partner with Newegg for dropshipping. Contact them to discuss terms, pricing, and shipping options. Once you have your suppliers, set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your store. Integrate your Newegg account with your chosen e-commerce platform. This ensures seamless order processing and inventory management. After setting up your store, list your products. Write detailed descriptions, add high-quality images, and set competitive prices. Ensure that all listings comply with Newegg's dropshipping policies. Next, implement a marketing strategy to drive traffic to your store. Utilize social media, paid advertising, and email marketing to reach potential customers. Track your efforts using analytics tools to gauge effectiveness. As orders come in, place them with your suppliers promptly. Make sure to communicate with your customers about shipping times and order status. Manage customer inquiries and provide excellent support. It helps to establish trust and encourages repeat business. Finally, continuously evaluate your performance. Analyze sales data and customer feedback to refine your product offerings. Keep up with market trends to stay competitive. By following these steps, you can successfully start dropshipping with Newegg. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.